But he just gotta play the see, like he going on fast to brake. Like what? See, that's I don't understand speeders. You know, they do all that to what? To brake and drive reckless. Okay, Presto. So that warning, right? Went into my lane, and the autopilot reacted.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, it was open, went right in. Okay, Presto.
The internet is super weird. I think
Okay, Presto. What the fuck was that? Okay, Presto.
give money to influencers through virtual gifts.
McConnell, I find that hard to believe.
Wow.
Anyway, we'll get more.
Whoops. 6-inch ground clearance, which really isn't that high. I mean, it's higher than.
I'm saying you have to wait. You can't go over those lines, but people do what they want.
Sell it, right?
Right.
But if you owe $298 on it,
Okay, Presto.
then
And this
you're in
dude
trouble.
really cut
Or
everybody
$300.
left
You
and the
can't get
right
out
lane
of
off.
it. You're stuck.
Letters from A to Z. Hey, go fast. Go fast.
Doesn't even signal or anything.
Not honestly.
Okay, Presto. Wow. Okay, Presto. Just cuts everybody off. That's crazy. Wow. Okay, Presto. What was that all about?